What's up guys, and welcome back to another video right into my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna basically tell you how to increase your FPS or get an FPS boost for CSGO. So in this video I'm gonna tell you step by step how to boost your system in order to get more FPS in CSGO. So stick to the end guys, I'll tell you step by step how to do that. And before we start right into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I would really appreciate it if you would just leave a like, a comment, or a subscription right onto my channel. It would really mean the world to me, and you're gonna support a little YouTuber like me, and it's free for you to subscribe and would be a massive support for me. So be sure to hit the subscribe button before we start right into the video. I'm gonna thank you for that now, and I would say let's get right started. So the first step is gonna be to open up your files, and you're gonna navigate down to this PC, where you're gonna stick to it, and you're gonna right click this PC and go down to properties. Once you're at properties, you're gonna go to once this window pops up, you're gonna go to change settings right here in the right corner, and you're gonna go to advanced right here. Once you're here, you're gonna go to settings on performance, and here you're gonna see adjust for best performance right here, and you're gonna basically click it and hit apply afterwards. Once this is done, you can close this one down again, and the next step is gonna be to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen and hit the Windows symbol and go to your settings. Once you're at your settings, you're gonna navigate to the first one where it says system. Once you're at the display, you're gonna stick to it. You gotta identify which monitor you're using for playing CSGO, gaming CSGO, or gaming in general, and you're gonna go down to scale and layout, where you're gonna check if it is on 100% right here, the size of text, apps, and other items, and the display resolution should be the same as in-game. So if you're using in-game, like, I don't know, some sort of 1720 by 1070, you're gonna apply it to your display resolution as well. The next step is gonna be to go to the third one right here where it says notifications and actions. Here it is really important to turn this off, because first of all, you don't want annoying notifications popping up in the right bottom corner of your screen. You need to tap out in order to close this one, and it obviously needs to be rendered by your PC, so just turn it off. You don't really need that shit. The next step is going to be to go to power and sleep, so the fifth one right here, and on this window particularly, you can't really do anything. You can change this whatever you want. It won't really help. You're basically gonna go to the right corner again and click on additional power settings. Once you're here, you see high performance. You're gonna click that and apply it, but sometimes it could lead to overheating or some kind of noise, and if you can't really control it by, I don't know, cooling down your PC or getting it in a nicer spot so it isn't that loud, you basically need to change this back to balance, because you want to avoid obviously some broken items in your PC. Once you did that, you can close this one again, but if you can do that, I need to mention that if you can do that, this would really help your FPS. The next step is gonna go to storage right here, and you're gonna click on configure storage sense or run it now. Here you're gonna go to, or basically gonna copy my settings. So run storage sense, you're gonna go to every week, and temporary files, you're gonna change it to 14 days and 60 days. This will basically help you to blow out every single temporary file you don't really need in your system right now, because they're basically just using your storage, so your performance, and it gets your PC really slow if too much of those are in here. So you're gonna basically just copy my settings and then afterwards hit clean now. Once you finish here, you're gonna go back to your main settings where you can choose where to go, and you're gonna go to gaming. Once you're at gaming, the first thing you're gonna turn off is the game bar. You don't really need the game bar, and it will just suck off performance, so just turn it off. It don't really make sense to have it on. The next step is gonna be to go to captures right here. And this will be a big step and a very important step, because first of all, everyone knows that if you're recording something, the performance will go down. So be sure to turn this off. You don't want Windows to record every game you do in the background. Of course, if you want to record something, you're probably not going to use Windows for that. So just be sure to turn this off every time you play, or every time or forever. Just don't turn it on. The next step is going to be to go to game mode right here, and here depends on which system you have, or basically which graphics card you have. If you have AMD, I would personally recommend to turn this off, and if you have nvidia, I would personally recommend to turn this on. I would say that you need to check for your system particularly, because sometimes it could also be the way around. So just check if you can improve your FPS by turning it off or turning it down, off or on. Once you finish here, you go back and you go to update and security right here. Once you're at this window right here, you're going to check for your latest Windows version if you have the latest Windows version. This will basically help you to come along with upcoming updates and new updates in your game. So just check if you have the latest Windows version, and the same is for your graphics card. So if you have AMD or nvidia, just doesn't matter. You're just gonna go to your application and download the latest version of your graphics card, so to basically provide the best possible performance for your system. The last step is going to be to navigate down to your taskbar, hit right click, and go to your task manager. Once you're right here, you're going to basically just end every single app and background process which you're currently not using for playing the game, because every single app and every single background process will suck off performance which you need to use afterwards in your game. So just trust me, end every single task you don't really need. That's it for the video, guys. I hope I could actually help you out of this video. If it was like that, just leave a like, a comment, or a subscription right onto my channel. It would really mean the world to me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you at the next one, and bye.